Chicken has made it to Midpoint Cafe.
I'm Ram.
And I'm Dad.
And we went to the Midpoint Cafe on Route 66 and had some of the best burgers ever.
The best. They were amazing. So,
make sure to enjoy.
Midpoint Cafe, Route 66. So excited to be here. Ray is now at the midpoint of Route 66. What do you think, Ray, so far about Route 66?
It's a road.
It's a road. I feel like we kind of cheated because we didn't start until Amarillo. So we're coming to the midpoint only because it's a really interesting spot. Someday.
Even though we haven't been to Chicago.
Yeah.
We're not in Chicago. We started in Texas.
Yep.
On a different road. So.
Yep, and we're going to take Route 66 all the way until the turnoff to Las Vegas. So we're going to travel quite a chunk of it. So that's pretty neat. And I'm excited about doing that. So someday we'll come back and do this trip with Mr. Chicken.
If you can see, it's a Route 66 chicken.
So here's the halfway point for Route 66 that we just want to document. Once again, someday we're going to do this, and we're actually going to do the whole trip. And somewhere here, I think there's going to be somebody popping their head over the top of this. I'm just waiting and waiting. And there's a Ray. And along with the Ray is, what else is along with Ray? Rubber Chickens made it. Where'd Rubber Chicken go? Route 66 Chicken. All right, Adrian, Texas. This truck, people from all over rode on it. Route 66 truck. Feel like I need to get a pin out here, and Ray and I could sign this somewhere. Lots of names signed on this. Heading into the Midpoint Cafe. Look at this Midpoint diorama. The bar you can sit at here at the Midpoint Cafe. They actually have a really neat store, and you can come in and get Route 66 memorabilia, including halfway midpoint stuff, which someday when we do this whole thing, we'll do this. There's a Route 66 guitar from Loretta Lynn. It's kind of cool. And a bunch of Route 66 memorabilia. Oh, right here. And a whole section on cars. Look at all the cars memorabilia, or all the cars stuff. That's awesome. The story goes that one of the servers here, Fran, it was the basis of Flo, who from the Cars show. So it's pretty cool to be able to come here and tie that history back to the Cars universe and to the Cars series. To come here and visit the Midpoint Cafe. Fran's no longer here anymore, I asked, so she's now retired from working here. But pretty cool to be in a place that the creators of Cars use as an inspiration. And one of the characters for the inspiration from Cars, Fran, was based on a person that was here. Pretty stinking cool. Along with the Midpoint Cafe being some of the inspiration for Cars, one of the things that's neat is the Midpoint Cafe is taking on this persona and actually has cars with eyes on it that are here, and really celebrating the concept of Cars. There's the sheriff. Here's the VW bus. All right, eating what I think is the best burger I've had on this trip, and it's at the Midpoint Cafe on Route 66. And I definitely think it's probably the best burger I've had in a long time. What do you think, Ray? You think the napkin's the best burger? Hey, Snoopy! All right. Ray's not answering, but I think it's best burger. These handmade patties and everything else with it, definitely really, really good. It's got lettuce, tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, I think mayonnaise maybe, and cheese. All right, finish up the last bit of this really good burger. sitting in the car because it's raining outside. But we're sitting along this stretch of old Route 66 here. Turn around and you see the pies on the dashboard. You see it's part of old Route 66 here in Aden, Texas. Just grabbing some food on the road. Really good burgers. So here's the Elvis pie. So there's peanut butter on the bottom, chocolate, and bananas in there somewhere mixed in with whipped cream, nuts, chocolate on top. It looks pretty amazing. It's pretty good. I think I'd want a little bit more banana. I didn't get any banana in that. I see there's banana in here. But I think the banana should be a little bit more prevalent. I didn't get banana in that bite either. Let's try this one. Here we go. Now I got some banana. It's good, but it's better with a bite of banana. So the Elvis pie, eating here on Route 66 at the Midpoint Cafe. All right, off to our next adventure.
Okay, so like I said in the intro, best burgers I've ever had. I just had a cheeseburger with pickles and ketchup, and the banana cream pie and Elvis pie. Both were amazing, including the burger. Some of the best stuff I've ever had.
Yeah, it was definitely a good burger, and we haven't done all Route 66, but I imagine someday when we do all Route 66 that this burger may be one of the best on the entire route. So if you get a chance to go check it out, definitely stop at Midpoint Cafe. The Elvis pie was, I think the first banana cream pie we had was better than the Elvis pie I
But
had.
they were both really good.
They were both good. I just wish there was more banana in the Elvis pie, at least the one I had. I think yours had more banana than mine did.
Yeah, mine had a little more banana.
Yeah, mine was kind of skimpy on the banana, but it was a really fun place to stop. The ambiance is there. The tie-in to Cars, the Cars movie, was really cool. That they based Flo off of a lady named Fran there. If you're passing through, it's a little stop, worth stopping and grabbing a quick burger and a quick bite. Highly recommend it.
Yep, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. And most of all, enjoy.